Hello everyone, welcome back to Stoic Wisdom Today. Business today is fast, ruthless and full of uncertainty. There's pressure to perform, to scale, to win, no matter the cost. But in that chaos, we need something deeper than strategy. We need stability. We need principles. We need stoicism. Today we'll explore how to apply Stoic wisdom in business and work, so you can lead, decide and thrive with clarity, calm and integrity. Let's begin. Part 1. Why Stoicism belongs in the workplace. You might ask, what does ancient philosophy have to do with modern business? Everything. Because Stoicism is not about sitting on a rock and meditating on life. It's about doing your work with discipline, virtue and resilience, no matter what the world throws at you. Seneca was a wealthy businessman and political advisor. Marcus Aurelius ran the most powerful empire on earth. Epictetus taught leaders how to think clearly in the face of adversity. They weren't escaping life, they were mastering it. And so can you. Part 2. The 5 Stoic principles for work and business. 1. Focus only on what you can control. You can't control the market, you can't control your boss, the client, or the algorithm. But you can control your preparation, your attitude, your integrity. Epictetus reminds us, some things are up to us, and some are not. Let go of obsessing over outcomes. Focus on your process, day by day, action by action. That's how you build momentum without burnout. 2. Turn obstacles into opportunities. A project fails, a deal collapses, someone betrays your trust. A non-Stoic complains, the Stoic asks, what now? What can I build from this? Marcus Aurelius said, the impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. Every failure holds fuel. Every obstacle is a forge. In business, that mindset turns problems into products and pain into innovation. 3. Lead with virtue, not ego. In a world of ambition, Stoicism reminds you, character, status. Seneca said, wealth is the slave of a wise man, the master of a fool. Whether you're leading a company or a small team, ask yourself, am I being just? Am I being honest? Am I listening or just reacting? A Stoic leader is not a dictator. They are a servant of truth, even when it's uncomfortable. When you lead with virtue, you build trust, and trust is the currency that never crashes. 4. Embrace discomfort and delayed gratification. The Stoics trained themselves to be resilient. They practiced voluntary hardship, eating simply, sleeping on the floor, wearing basic clothes. Why? Because if you can be strong with less, you're unshakable when more comes. In your work, choose discipline over distraction. Say no to shortcuts. Be willing to do the hard work, even when no one is watching. Seneca wrote, it is not the man who has too little, but the man who craves more that is poor. The Stoic professional doesn't chase shiny things. They build long-term excellence. 5. Detach from praise and criticism. Your product gets applause or silence. Your ideas get rejected. Someone steals your credit. The Stoic doesn't flinch. Marcus wrote, ambition means tying your well-being to what others say or do. Self-indulgence means tying it to the things that happen to you. Sanity means tying it to your own actions. You do the work, you deliver your best, then you let go. That detachment creates freedom, mental clarity and emotional balance, even in high-stakes environments. Part 3. Real-world applications of Stoicism at work. Scenario 1. Stressful meeting. Pause. Breathe. Remember, only my thoughts and actions are within my control. Scenario 2. Missed deadline. Ask, what can I learn? What can I improve? Don't spiral. Strategize. Scenario 3. Office politics. Stay principled, don't gossip, don't manipulate, protect your character, not your image. Scenario 4. Burnout looming. Reset. Reconnect to your why. Let go of outcome obsession. Return to daily excellence. Part 4. Your work is not your worth. A powerful reminder from Stoicism. You are not your job title. You are not your followers. You are not your bank account. You are your virtue. You are your daily effort. You are your capacity to stay wise, even when it's hard. The Stoic professional doesn't just chase success. They bring meaning into everything they do. Even if no one sees, even if no one applauds. Conclusion: build the business of the mind. At the end of the day, all businesses rise and fall. Markets shift, teams change, tech evolves. But the business of your mind, your discipline, focus, and resilience, that stays with you forever. So go into work tomorrow like a Stoic. Prepare well. Lead justly. Respond wisely. Let go of noise. Do your duty, and leave the rest. Thank you for watching Stoic Wisdom today. If this video brought clarity to your work life, share it with a colleague or teammate. Let's bring more wisdom to the workplace, one Stoic decision at a time. Until next time, stay grounded, stay wise, and stay Stoic.